Okay, let's go to question 5. We've given geometric identities. But let's simplify. We've got to simplify. Look, there's a equation should be done for 5.1. But a simplifier will sine 90 degrees minus x times cos 180 degrees plus x plus tan x times cos x times sine x minus 180 degrees. Uzokwazi ukusolva lesibalo ubhala ngaso sonke isikhathi ucast. Khumbula ucasta simijima endaweni eyisele. So let's about ucast. First quadrant, second, third, fourth, konke positive, usine kuphela la uthane lo bani cos. Now usine 90 minus, which means lento iwelela kuba kwi-first quadrant. So usine unjani la? It's positive, ingakho sizoba no positive cos x times cos 180 plus ungena kwi-third quadrant, cos wakho negative, so I've got negative cos x plus uthanda singamshintsha simenze usine x over cos x times cos x or cos x. Sine x minus 180. They usually say take out the negative sign again. And then usala no 180 degrees minus x. Okay. Now, positive times negative, it's negative. Cos times cos will give me cos squared x. And now, the cos benza njani? Bakhanselana. Ngisala mina no plus sine x. Usine 180 minus. So la ku second quadrant. Usine unjani lana? Positive. Lihlika nalo negative sign le ka sine. It's now still sine x. Sine times sine, I've got negative cos squared x. Positive times negative, negative. Sine times sine, sine squared x. Take up the negative sign as a common factor. Ngisala no cos squared x plus sine squared x. And the answer now bani 1. Then 1 times negative, it's negative 1. So you wanna answer questions. Senza isibalo esilandelayo. Prove without using a calculator that the left hand side that is given by this expression is equals to the right hand side. Now, reduce la. Equation. Now, bathi lana sin 315 minus reduce la. Masim reduce sin 315 uzofana noba. Uzoba usine. Siyazi ngithe mina kumele sibhale ucast. 315 degrees utholakala la kwi-third quadrant. So it's same as 360 degrees. Ubona ngani ukuthi minus ngoba? Just say 360 minus the angle because ubuswazi deep quadrant minus 315. So 45 is minus bani 45 degrees times tan 210, it's above 180 and it's less than 270. So it's same as tan. Just say 180 or 180 more tanda 180 minus 210. So there's 8. Should be 180 degrees. In 80 degrees was in 210 times sine 190 ngaphezulu kwababenda kwa 180 should le ndiyafana no sine 180 degrees plus 10 degrees because 8 to 10 all divided by cos 100 ngaphezulu kwa 90 so loku 90 degrees plus uba nakhona plus 10 degrees times sine 120 uyafana no 180 degrees kumele edubane 60 degrees, but without the use of a calculator. But I will show you how to cheat by using a calculator. So it's minus la, it's not plus. Now sine 360 minus the angle sine unjani la kwi-4th quadrant negative, so I've got negative sine 45 degrees. Tan 180 plus unjani tan kwi-3rd quadrant positive, so we have tan 30 degrees. Sine 180 plus unjani sine kwi-2nd, it's a 3rd quadrant negative, so we have negative sine 10 degrees. Akune negative sign ngithanda ukufaka ama-brackets yabo ukuze ngizohlukana uma ngafaka ngase no-minus kanti negative. So cos 90 plus cos unjani kwi-2nd quadrant negative, kushuthi kumele ngibe no-negative sine 10 degrees times sine 180 minus 180 minus, so it's positive, so we have positive sine 60 degrees. Now bese ngiyaqhubeka negative, or uma ngithanda singasho ukuthi khona ukukhansela nawo la konke nesine yakhona lokhu nalokhu ikhanselana, yaba. Now sine 45, just bring negative sign ngaphandle. Now we can use calculator. We can say sine 45 degrees over, it's root 2 over 2, so you've got root 2 over 2 because it's a special angle, times tan 30, let me just type tan 30 nakhona ukuthi root 3 over 3, yonke lento le idividwa sine 60 ne, then you've got to sine 60, which would be root 3 over 2. Now if you change the division sign as a multiplication sign in numerator ba denominator ibe yini numerator, kuyashintsha lo ngezansi uba ngaphezulu, lo ngaphezulu abe ngezansi. So la vele ngisano negative root 2 over 2 times root 3 over 3, sengiyashintsha la manje, lo ngibe no2 la ngibe nobani no root 3. Now khona ukukhanselana la, khona lo 2 akhanselane nalo 2, lo root 3 akhanselane nalo root 3, siyabona ngethu. Now negative root 2 sala ngaphezulu, ngezansi kusalelwa 3. Ngabe lento ayifani right hand side? Yeah, fine. So this is same as a right hand side. Yini le sicela nayo left hand side, because of parallel, so be